Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Today I bring you my current favorites, recommendations, must-have scents for the fall. I recently did the top 5 most affordable or amazing 5 lipsticks for the fall that you have to try, something like that. I will have it pinned up here, but I'm still very much in a fall theme, and I was like, you know what, I gotta share my favorite scents, because if there is one thing that I feel I am a bit of a connoisseur is perfumes. I love perfumes. I have a huge collection and I needed to share them with you. I also did a little Ulta and Target run, so I will be sharing what I got from there. Just I needed a few restocks, okay? Mama was running low on a few hygiene products, and of course I picked up some extra scents. So with that said, grab your cafecito. I just poured myself a little cup, but I have the smallest amount of coffee because it's later in the evening and I need my sleep, okay? So grab your cafecito and let's jump right in. I'm gonna start off by showing you what I got from Target. I didn't necessarily get like fall themed items from Ulta. I literally went in for like 2 things, and of course I walked out with more than what I needed. But I'm just gonna share what I got in case you guys care. So I guess Ulta was running some sort of like promotion or whatever for e.l.f. So if you bought 3 skincare products or 2 skincare products and 1 like makeup product, you got a free little gift. And I got this, so I'm not sure how long this is gonna run for, but I bought it today, October 22nd, and this video is gonna go up the next day. So they might still have it. Run to your local Ulta in case. I picked up the Holy Hydration Gel Moisturizer because I am oily skin. The girl swatched it on my hand. I was like, oh, add to bag immediately. And then I also got to the Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. I've never tried that one, so I'm excited to try it. If you have been looking for an amazing lash curler, the Shiseido is that girl. My daughter bought herself one, and I have like I sold it I don't know how many times, and she finally was like, okay mom, you need to get your own, which I agree because she takes hers to school and sometimes I would have it in my makeup room. Oops, I would forget to put it back, but I got that. One fall theme item that I did get was the Glow Reviver lip oil in the shade Jam Session from e.l.f. I love these. I have 2 different shades. My favorite one is Honey Talks, and I've seen this one kind of like swirling around social media where people paired it with this really nice lip liner. I'm gonna do a reels for you guys, so make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok so I can show you my lip combo. But yeah, this one is, I love it. I love the formula, and this actually matches my nails, so got that. And then I also picked up a new product from the well, it's not new product, but it's new for me. This is the Ordinary Amino Acids and B5. So this is a hydrating oil because I am on tretinoin and sometimes it dries me out. Like there's days where my skin is okay. Right now I am using it pretty much every single day. I think I take maybe like 1 or 2 days in between as a break or just in the week. But I was looking up some reviews and I was looking up what products to pair with tretinoin, and this one came up. So I'm gonna try it out and I will let you guys know how and if I like it. When I was at Target, I was like literally scrolling through Pinterest and the app Lemonade. I was looking up like the best vanilla scents or just like fall scents, and I got so many of these as a recommendation. So this is a brand Frenchie, and I've seen it. I know that this is Ashley Tisdale's brand. I've never tried anything from them. I was like, okay, let's give it a try. Oh my gosh, why have I not ever tried this? So I picked up the Cashmere Vanilla Hair, Body, and Linen Mist. And then I also picked up the Body and Hair Radiance Oil. Oh my goodness, this is delicious. I'm gonna spray this. It is such a soft and warm vanilla scent. It's not overpowering. It's just enough. And the reason why I picked up the little radiance oil is because I figured the more you layer your scents, the longer it will last on your skin. So washing your body and then, you know, you get out of the shower, you apply your lotion and then you go in with your oil and then you top it off with the body spray. These are a little pricey, I would say, compared to like I don't know, what do I want to compare them to? Actually, body sprays are pretty expensive in general. I was gonna say Victoria's Secret, but they're about the same price. I think these are maybe $13, $15, something like that. So I got both of these in the same scent, and the oil, y'all, is so lightweight. It's not an overwhelming scent, and look at how easy it just dispenses onto the skin. So this is definitely something that is going to help you if you have a very dry skin and you need a little extra boost. Look at how like glowy my skin looks, and then you just apply your body spray on top of this, and because it's an oil and they have similar notes, it's just going to stay and linger on forever. Another reason why I got this specific oil is because I have a body spray that, when I'm telling you, people have stopped and asked me what I'm wearing, and this is a body spray. I'm not even joking, like it's ridiculous the amount of times I've gotten stopped and asked what I'm wearing, and that is the Victoria's Secret Bear. Oh my goodness, like not only is the color very like fall themed because it's like a nude and it's very, you know, it goes with my with what I have going on, but this is genuinely such a delicious scent. I'm gonna look up the notes. So this is described as a woody floral. It has notes of Australian sandalwood, mandarin, Madagascar, and Egyptian violet. It is delicious, you guys. Like, I have so many body sprays, and I think this is probably one of the very few that I use pretty much on a daily base. And I don't know, I think the notes are very, very similar, and packaging is really cute, very aesthetic as well. I also picked up a new leave-in conditioner because my hair needs something extra because I naturally have curly hair, which means it's a little more prone to being dry. So I picked up the Santal Bloom leave-in conditioner. This one, oh my gosh, I smelled it. I was like, this reminds me of like fall. Maybe I was just like in a fall mindset, but it's a very like vanilla caramelly scent. Am I even gonna lie to you? No, the packaging literally got me wanting to try this. And the last thing that I picked up is a new bottle of the EOS Shea Butter 24-hour moisture lotion and vanilla cashmere. I've used this for years and years and years, and I always go back and forth between this scent and then it's like a dark pink, it's like a raspberry scent. That one is probably my favorite, but again, this one, since I do wear a lot of like vanilla caramel scents during the fall, I figured this would pair really nicely with any body oil, any body spray, or any perfume. This one smells a little more nutty, and it does have that vanilla scent. To me, it's a little more like artificial, you know? But honestly, just like pairing these all together, I think it's gonna smell amazing. If you love a simple, no BS, straight to fall scent, then you have to try this one from SKYLAR. As you can see, I haven't used it much, and that's because I only reach for it during the fall. I mean, hello, because fall cashmere is exactly that. It smells just like if you walk into a store and you see tons of like fall decor. Like, imagine that and then smell this, and that is the epitome of fall. I'm gonna pull up the notes just so I can give you better description. So the key notes are cinnamon bark, roasted almond, and spiced ginger. The scent type is described as warm and sweet gourmand, and the fragrance family is warm and spicy, and that is so correct. If you guys have ever had a chai tea latte, like a hot version of a chai tea latte, that's what this reminds me of. So it smells amazing. It is a little on the pricier side. I think this bottle is like $90, but honestly, it's kind of worth it because it smells good, and her ingredients, from what I know, are really, really clean. Another scent that is also amazing, and you can layer it, for example, with this, is this one by Billie Eilish. I think it's just called Eilish. It is such a delicious, feminine, vanilla, girl-friendly scent. Like, I don't know how else to describe it. Literally bathe myself in this every single day. What does it for me is honestly the packaging. I love this. I think she did amazing with the packaging, and the scent is so friendly. Like, my teen daughter loves this perfume, so that tells you a lot. It's very like just girly. That's exactly what I think of. Like creamy vanilla, girly, perfect for pretty much any age. The last two scents that I have are a little bit more on the affordable side. Of course, I had to mention Dossier. This is a brand that I've been working with for years, and this video is not sponsored, but I do work with them constantly, and I love their perfumes. This is one of my favorites. This is called Ambery Vanilla. If you love YSL's Black Opium and you hate spending the money on it, buy this one. Ambery Vanilla is an exact dupe for YSL's Black Opium. Trust me, I own the original perfume and I reach for this one way more. I just feel like this one's, it almost like lingers on me a little bit more. I really like that the base notes on this are vanilla, coffee, and then cedarwood and patchouli. I personally don't smell the patchouli as much, but I definitely smell that like cedarwood, which just gives it that original YSL Black Opium scent. This is such a sexy night fall, going out with your friends, you know, just like leaves all over the floor or something like that. That's what I think of. And then the color obviously is very appropriate. And then the last one that I wanted to share with you is actually a brand that I recently discovered. They sent me a PR and I was just going through their website, and this one smells so similar to the Tom Ford Cherry. This is by the brand Subjective and it's called Cherry on Top. Okay, for some reason I can't find their website, but if you love Cherry from Tom Ford, and again, you don't want to spend, those are expensive. This is going to be very, very similar. This one again smells just so rich, so creamy. It has a little bit more of a deep musky scent, but it also smells really good. And then Dossier also has the Lost Cherry from Tom Ford. It's called Ambery Cherry. I personally don't like that one, but if you do like the Tom Ford, then I think you're gonna like that one. This definitely gives a little bit more mature scent, a little bit more leathery, you know. I will try to find this website because I cannot find it anywhere. And that is everything, you guys. This is how you can literally smell like fall using some affordable, some a little more like high end. Honestly, like there's something for every budget. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys try something out. If you love fall and you want to smell like fall, then definitely try out some of these products because they're totally worth checking out. And yeah, you guys, again, let me know if you guys are interested in seeing an all shower routine. I would love to film that for you guys. Other than that, I love you, stay safe, and I'll see you guys for my next video.